Hi and welcome to Ezecurtains, and I want to have a quick chat with you about our regular curtain track. This can be made to fit any shape bay window, straight windows, and it's great for any domestic type curtains, wide curtains, long curtains, blackout curtains, handle them all. So let's have a quick look at how easily these curtains glide across this track. Now these curtains have overlapped because we've got the overlapping track option on here, which is great for bedrooms, but pretty much any window where you want a really neat finish and the curtains to overlap properly. So let's have a quick close-up of the track itself and the bracket options. Here we have the track, and it's a really strong profile and it takes a bit of effort to twist it. Once this is fitted into the bracket, ceiling or wall fix, it's almost no flex in it at all. So that's why I mentioned earlier that you can hang pretty much any domestic weight curtains on it. Now, if we turn it over, you can have a look at the bracket options that we've got on here. We've got 3 centimetre, 4 centimetre, 7 centimetre, so it projects a little bit further away from the wall if you need it to. Then we've got the ceiling fix bracket on this end, and if we turn it sideways, the ceiling bracket option has got a slope on the back. So when that track is fixed to the ceiling, you have to be almost underneath the track to actually see the bracket. So that's a really neat option. So if you would like to order one of these tracks, then use the calculator below to get an instant price for one to fit your window perfectly.